In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Copilot search bar in Copilot Money. Now, Copilot Money is a great app to just have everything under one roof in terms of your investments. So once you're in your dashboard, right, you want to look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be your main menu, right? So to get to the search bar, you want to click on transactions here, right? Click on transactions because that's where the search bar is. And once you are here in your transactions, you're going to see this tiny search bar here on the right-hand side in the center. So click on that and just search whatever you want. But that is going to be where the search bar is at, right? So remember, this is only where the search bar appears, right? If you go to accounts, it's not going to be there. If you go to investments, it's not going to be there. Go to categories, it's not going to be there. It's just under transactions because it's pretty much used to search for a specific transaction or billable, right? In Copilot Money. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.